Hello, Portland renters. We are at 2060 Northwest Village Circle in Portland, 97229. It is a 1,686 square foot home available right now for your rental. Just located in this Circle neighborhood, very quiet. Just down the street this way is Mill Pond Park. And then if you go around the corner, there's a shopping center that has a Starbucks and a Pizzicato and cafe and a little bit of shopping as well. So it is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 3 stories. You have a coat closet when you first walk in the door. And then just inside you have the garage. That is a tandem garage with lots of room off to the right here. Little bench so you can have a lot of storage in here. All wood flooring on the middle level. Go into the kitchen first and then come back out. The gourmet kitchen, stainless steel appliances, gas grill, or gas range rather. Does have a large pantry. Large living room with a gas fireplace. So you do have the back area and then you have a little patio out front as well. Full-size washer and dryer included. Off to the right you have one of the 2 bedrooms. Inside the bathroom you have a full walk-in closet. Into the master bedroom with the large walk-in closet. It does have the full bathroom with a tub and a shower. So again, this is 2060 Northwest Village Circle in Portland, 97229. It is a 1,686 square foot home that's available right now for your rental. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. For $19.95 is the rent. You can visit us at portlandrentalhomes.com to fill out an application, schedule a showing for this and any of our other properties as well. So give us a call, stop by our website, and we'll see you soon.